Okay, we would like to teach you a creative resume in lesson 3. This is a more professional than before the lesson 2. Please subscribe to me. I will be do a lot of more professional resume for your reference. Okay, we are go to the design column and select to the slide side and go to the custom slide side, select to A4 and then select it to the portrait. Okay, we are select to the insert column and then go to the picture. We are looking for the beautiful background and then enter. Okay, after select the picture, we are enlarge the picture. We are going to the format column and select it to the remove background. We are carefully to looking for what area to be kept, what area to remove. We are use the mark area to keep and mark area to remove point to mark the point on the picture. And after finish, okay, we are carefully to point and point to mark. Okay, finish. We are keep change. Okay, we are going to the format column to be cut. Remove the area and then enter. And then move the suitable area. And then we are go to the home column to select to the rectangle. We are make the outline the rectangle. Go to the shape field to change the color. And then we are go to the insert column. Go to the picture, select the beautiful picture. Okay, after the selecting the beautiful picture, we are go to the format column and select to the cut and go to the cut to the shape and select to the overlay. After cutting, we are adjust suitable area. Okay, after adjust the picture to suitable area and suitable size, we are go to the home column and then select to the text box and type into the name of the pupil, Peter Chen, and adjust the size and go to the format column and change the style of the word. Okay, we are move the Peter Chen to suitable area and then we are go to the home column and go to the rectangle and then typing in the title to the sales manager. After that, we move the suitable area and going to the home column to select the text box to type the subtitle. To type the personal information. After that, we are change the color to the white color and remove suitable area. Okay, we are try again to go the home column and select to the text box and type to the education. After that, we are change the color to be white too. Okay, we are also try again to home column to the text box to type the working experience. And then we are change the color to be white too. And then adjust to suitable area. Okay, finish. We are doing again to home column and text box and type to the skill. And then to change the color to be white too and remove to suitable area. Okay, we are after finish the typing skill, we have already finished the subtitle. Okay, and then we are already prepared the content of the resume. We are just a copy the resume to the resume, and then the finish the beautiful and professional the resume. Okay, right now we are summary of the lesson. The first one, we to learn how to open the new page to A4 size. The second, how to make the vertical outline to change the color. The third, how to edit the text to change the color of the word and size of the word. The fourth, how to insert the photo, change the size of the photo. The fifth, how to insert the picture, change the background of the picture, and then we will finish the beautiful resume.